You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar weakened on Tuesday after inflation data undershot expectations by rising less than expected, lessening expectations that the Fed would taper. The dollar ended the day 1.3767 to the euro and 102.66 to the yen. The main event of today's economic calendar is the FOMC rate decision, with much speculation as to whether the Fed will take steps to taper asset purchases. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Tuesday after sentiment data increased, revealing greater optimism about the outlook for the European economy. The single currency ended the day 1.3767 to the dollar and 141.33 to the yen. Today's data includes the German IFO sentiment survey in December, which is expected to show a rise. British pound. The pound weakened on Tuesday after inflation data showed a fall, reducing the chances the BOE might move to tighten monetary policy. Sterling ended the day 1.6262 to the dollar and 0.8464 to the euro. Today's news includes the publication of the BOE meeting minutes and unemployment data. Japanese yen. The yen rose on Tuesday after lower expectation of Fed tapering narrowed the yield differential between US and Japanese bonds, lessening the attraction of selling the yen in the carry trade. The yen ended the day 102.66 to the dollar and 166.95 to the pound. Today's data includes figures showing the amount of foreign financial assets bought by the Japanese investors and the amount of Japanese assets bought by foreign investors. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.378 with targets at 1.3735 and 1.371 in extension. Above 1.378, which will look for further upside with 1.3805 and 1.383 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.6029 with targets at 1.6025 and 1.6021 in extension. Above 1.6029, which will look for further upside with 1.6335 and 1.6336 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 102.15 with targets at 102.45 and 102.15 in extension. Above 103.15, which will look for further upside with 103.4 and 103.7 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you'll be watching Markets for You. Have a great day.